obstacle is just a means. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This was a song that was requested. This is how to play Deathbed by Senses Fail. This is such a great song. They were my favorite band when I was growing up. Not growing up, but like a teenager or something. Maybe I'm totally dating myself, but that's cool. I love these guys and I love this song. So thank you so much for the request. If you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments and I'll do everything I can to get to them, okay? So in this song, you're gonna be in standard tuning and there's no capo, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're only gonna use 4 chords. There's a tab online that says how to play this song. It's mostly right. It says to play 3 chords. You're actually gonna use an extra one. You're gonna use a 4th one. So for a lot of the song, you're gonna do E, and then you're gonna do B. I'm just doing the power chord version of it, okay? Now, if you wanna play it like this, the actual B, that's okay too, but I'm just playing the power chord version. I actually think that sounds better, but I don't know, what do I know? I'm not saying this is the exact way to play it, I'm just saying this is one way that's super close and sounds great. So you're gonna do E, B, you're also going to do A, okay? And the other chord that you will only use, I think in the chorus, is going to be C sharp minor. So when you're doing B, you're on the 2nd and 4th frets, right? On the A, D, and G strings. Okay, then you're going to slide down 2 frets. So you're going to be on the 4th and 6th frets on the A, D, and G strings. All right, and then you're going to use your middle finger and you're going to put that down on the B string, okay? I don't know if you can see that super well. On the B string, okay? On the 5th fret. Okay, so those are the 4 chords you're gonna use. Now I'm gonna show you the strumming patterns and the chord progressions, okay, for the song. So here's how it goes. You're gonna start the song with E. You're just gonna do E, B, E, B. So you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so E, B, and just that down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's how you're gonna play it. The strumming pattern is a little bit more intricate than that, but I'm just showing you one way that makes it easy to play and sing at the same time. If you really want to get technical with it, you could probably listen to the album, but this is for people who are more beginners, okay? So, E, B, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Now, after you do E, B, after the 2nd B, then when you go to E, you're gonna go into the 1st verse. You're gonna maintain that same strumming pattern for the verse here, okay? So you're gonna do, and for a lot of it, you're gonna do E, B. You're gonna do that, E, B, and then we're gonna throw an A in there. So you're gonna do down. Sometimes I'm so afraid, and then afraid, aid is where you're gonna do B. That one day I will lie awake. So then you're going to E right there. In this bed we've made. So aid, you're doing B. And you'll be just a memory that can. So the can, this is where you do A. The cancer took all your breath. Your breath is going to be B. Breath away from me. And then after me, you're going to go to E. What I miss the most, so end of most, ost is B, is laughing at your awful jokes. And then E, so right there. And you can even watch my hands if that helps. And the certainty, E is where you're going to play B. That you would never hurt me, but life's, so life's is where you're going to do A. Life's not fair, and we own, so own is B, only get so much time. So time is where you're going to do E, and you're going right into the chorus here. The bell is tolling, let's see, the bell is tolling. So you're going to do E on the bell is tolling, so tolling is B, is where you switch, tolling, and I'll show you the strumming pattern after. Tolling, okay, and then you're going to slide up to C sharp minor, so slide up 2 frets, tolling, it's softly pulling, so softly pulling, Okay, so E, B, C sharp minor, and you're gonna go back to B, then A, B, B. Sorry, I played that wrong. B. So you're gonna do just like the bell is toll E, and then C sharp minor, it's softly pulling. So you come back down on pulling, you're gonna do B pulling. Then for A is where you do it on all, so that's easy to remember. All of us to sleep, and sleep is B, sleep. And then you're actually gonna repeat that, okay? Now, after the last beat, on physical, you're gonna do A. The physical is just a means, and means you do B. So now follow me on here. I'll show you, and I'm gonna show you the bridge in just a second. So you're gonna do, bell is tolling, softly pulling, all of us to sleep. E, the loved ones we be lose. E, let's see, E, B, C sharp minor, we'll stay with, be with you. A, in your heart and in your dreams. So your dreams is B, dreams. And here you go to A on physical, right before the physical. The physical is just a means. So the first time you play the chorus, you're just gonna do a single strum through that. Okay? And then you'll go right, and you'll go, all right? Then you're gonna go into the second verse. And it's the same as the first one. The second chorus is the same, except for at the end of the second chorus, you're not just gonna do a single strum on B, you're gonna do. Okay, so for the strumming pattern on this, you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up. Now, if you were continuing to play, you would do down, down, up right there, okay? So that's how you do the strumming for the chorus. It's very similar to the verses. Now, after the second chorus, you're gonna do the intermission. You're just gonna do like you did the intro, E, B, E, B, okay? Same strumming pattern, but very, very softly. So you just do. And then when you do that last B, you're gonna get loud. You're gonna do, everyone I've ever loved will fade away into the sun. Everything that I am now will rust away. So you're gonna do E, B, E, B, A. Okay, so you're playing it just like you do the verses here. But you're doing it like faster and louder, if that makes sense, for the bridge. And then at the end of the song, you just go into the last chorus. Afterwards, just repeat the strumming pattern for the chorus and then end it on E. Okay? That's how you play the song. That is how you play Deathbed by Senses Fail. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. I really appreciate it. See you guys next time.